In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist with Gmail. By the end, you'll have the Gmail integration enabled in Todoist, so you can turn emails into actionable tasks without leaving your inbox. First, open a desktop browser and go to Todoist.com, then head into the app. Being on a larger screen makes it easier to see the options we'll use. Once you're in Todoist, look toward the top right of the interface and click on Settings. This opens a panel where you control your account preferences and app connections. Inside Settings, select the Integrations tab. This is the central place where Todoist connects with other tools, and it's where we'll enable Gmail. You'll see a section showing what's already connected, and a way to explore new options. Next, click on Add Integrations. This takes you to the gallery of available apps. There are quite a few choices here, so take a moment to scan the list. If you don't see Gmail immediately, simply scroll down. The integrations are grouped and listed alphabetically, so scrolling ensures you don't miss it. When you find Gmail, click Gmail to open its details page. Here, Todoist explains what the integration does, like saving emails as tasks and keeping a direct link back to the original message. It's helpful to glance at this so you know exactly how it will behave. Now, click Add. This begins the connection process. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief prompt to confirm the connection with your Google account and allow the necessary permissions. This is normal for integrations and ensures Todoist can create tasks based on your emails while respecting your privacy controls. Once the integration is ready, click Got It to close the confirmation. That's it. The Gmail integration is now active in your Todoist account. A few tips as you start using it. In Gmail, you'll have access to Todoist tools that let you add the current email as a task, automatically including a link back to the message so you can return to it in one click. Consider adding a clear task name, a due date, and, if you use them, labels or a project so the task lands in the right place. If something doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh of your Gmail tab usually does the trick. And if you ever want to review or manage the connection, return to Settings in Todoist and open the Integrations tab. You've now connected Gmail with Todoist, making it much easier to capture important emails and stay on top of follow-ups.